Disclaimer.
Oh, God. Oh.
Anti-vax mom proud that her kid turned 12.
Say some more.
Okay. Huh?
Birthday 9/11.
What a lovely father you are.
Oh, fuck. Oh.
Hello, I'll be your servant today. I'm never brave in the say. Let's make our first revelation. Doctor, we're losing him. Ooh, ooh. Quick, hand me the defibrillator.
God. Oh, God. Oh, yes.
Well, kids, settle down for story time. Yeah. Yeah, second that, boy.
No.
Or you know, you can have the best of both worlds. You know, just fucking eat everything. Hell yeah.
What? What the ever-loving fuck?
When life gives you lemons, make sacrifices.
Huh?
Hey, what a burn. He just implied your mama ugly.
Brum. Oh. Cornblot Malclub Cart Pop. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Join the dark side, bitch.
Enjoy.
Oh, shake it, shake.
Come here, Timmy. Let me scrub those tidy whities.
Bring her to me.
Ting, tin, 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 tin.
What? No, I can't move. No, it's coming for me. No.
Why should you do that, boy? No, please help me. Anyone, no. Disney Pixar. It's made for children.
Oh, I love my job. Iron handmaiden. Put him in the molesty chamber.
Oh, God, please, no.
Oh, God.
Oh, God.
If you eat bacon, it might be my
Oh, great question, pal. Let me show you.
Maybe it's maple beans.
Right, ready to go.
Don't move, baby.
Don't move. He can't see us if we don't move.
Hey, baby, you need to pull out before I can't move. Oh, God.
Did I hear my name?
Oh, shit.
Good question. Caramel. Intestines. Yay.
Damn.
If you don't want to get raped, just say yes. IQ 100.
Not on my watch.
Oh, hell yeah, gotta dance the troubles away.
Hey, then, brother, wanna share that sweet, sweet honey? Oh, yeah.
Dab. Drugs are bad.
Yeah, so fucking pumped. Energy drinks.
Oopsie whoopsie. I knew I could smell a beer can. Well, we did not raise you to drink to alcoholics.
It all makes sense.
Oh, my God.
I own you. You better watch your mouth.
Oh, I don't know why.
The nut of the place of the mental illness is fake, right? And the earth is also flat.
Give me your freaking email password. Give it to me, you freaking asshole. Who's this?
Yeah, it's so good. Hey, oh. Oh, fuck. Oh.
The hurt?
Oh. Oh, God, that was not agile at all.
Mwah.
Oh, God. I hate it.
I miss yelling at the goth waitress as all at the Olive Garden.
I have been impaled.
What kind of sorcery is this?
Oh, there, I seem to have spilled your dinner all over the...
What are you doing in my swamp? It's so I can bone you better!
Remove the sadness. Whoa there, buddy. The sponsor is removed because it breaks one of our vague and cultivated rules. This community may enjoy posting your thoughts and upward positive response in the comment section. But I'm Warriors putting it up on the final.
This is one of those images that you can smell through the screen.
The bad eggs everywhere found.
Elvis Presley. Less conversation, let all powers in me.
People then gave a words to ads.
Sunny Street. Oh God.
Meow. Meow.
Oh my God.
Meow.
Why do you think this is so funny?
Ernie, how do I look?
With your eyes.
Okay.
Cool.
Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum.
Family!
Look,
What?
boink, boink.
Happy time, so.
I love you, blah and blah, and my sweet blah. Where is kids second? Where country found in the nation facing
You weren't supposed to do that. Joiner, you weren't supposed to do that. Oh, all right, people. How should we make our kids behave?
Punish! Red button.
Why talk to my damn kids? I'm not old. Skibbity dibbity pop.
Sexy beast. Yeah.
Takeshi 6699? What? Tekashi 6IX99. Alright.
Oh,
Clompity clompity stompity clompity. Schnoobity doobity. Bleh. Hey. Bomb. Ooh. Yeah. Ma. Oh, suck it, Piggy Wiggy.
You cannot hold me. My soul is eternal, mere human.
Oink. Gothic. Oh.
Disney movies now. It's
Hello there. Would you like to kangaroo over to my place?
Cracks knuckles, so I'm gonna get it.
fuck you.
Perf? Baby Choda. For a bit cheaper, it's coming. I got zoom. There is no point. They even outrun our cars.
Oh no.
Shall I moisten your lips there? Fire, put your lips on my lips.
Good. Hey kids, have I told you about the funny story?
Eat it! Huh? What the
Sorry, regular periods.
Oh God, what's that stuff?
Hippity hoppity, dick upright diddy.
She thick now.
Look, I did what mommy told me to do. I'm a good boy.
Yeah.
You're an adult. Act like one. You're off the foot and chain.
No, you can, no, I will do that.
Shala shashka shinkava.
I love you.
Hello, fellow human.
Björn.
You come here and the day my daughter's wedding.
He looks like an ice cream.
Ewo, Jara-chan mask collection. Goo 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 goo.
Zoop. Yum yum yum.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god! Why?
God save the queen.
Peppa
Pig, I'm looking fine today. What's that, Senpai? Notice me, oink oink. Make me all dirty, dirty. Skibbity pop, skibbity skirt, skibbity pop. Yee. Oh no.
Sweet home Alabama.
Oh yeah.
1 million feet.
Ooh, what's this? Fondles? It's a guan. Hands up, you baddie boy. This is the police. Fuck the police. Coming straight from the underground.
It's hunting season, you bitch.
Oopsie whoopsie. Broke out the notice. Pertudosis. Get him a shot at his possible.
My rights.
Red button.
Oh, it's just me, my little precious right here.
Mwah.
You're almost 18, so acting like a child.
Correct. Yes. No, I'm gonna slap him for crying.
No, this is 5G. Blizzard.
My mother. What?
When right in hell from this.
Unlimited power. Glad.
No.
Fucking beer.
Hashtag career dreams. Yeah.
Booyah.
I'm gonna. No, I am dying inside.
Gaff.
Can I get diet water, please?
Oh.
Oh God, you little naughty waddy. Oh.
Oh God. I'm gonna put this on. Nah.
Yum.
Shaggy verse.
Shaggy. Shagging.
A wolf.
Beastchurger.
Rawr. Gotcha.
Oh god.
Quack, quack, quack.
Be offered ass, inspect ass.
World economic crisis.
That was my soul escaping.
Der Tagesspiegel.
I am Trumpy Wumpy.
Sisters.
The best of two worlds. Woof.
Ah, yes.
I don't know.
Bob. Aha. Yes. Stop. Buttman.
Twing. Twing.
Well, that's disgusting, and that makes a perfect ending for this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. Down below, you can find links to the Patreon, Discord, and all those amazing things. I hope you find this the other one. Bye-bye.